To go back to the main menu, swipe up with 3 fingers. Start in game, practice game with explanations. Nuna is back home. Kibble. Play, whist, door, play, kibble. Play, whist, door. Swipe to. Nuna ran away because you didn't have the leash on and the front door was open, and you lost 25 points. You and Nuna are back at home, safe and sound and best friends again. Brush, poop, water, kibble, play, kibble. Nuna ate too much. Play, door, leash, door, brush, leash, swipe. Nuna's door, swipe.